I beat you this morning, alarm. I beat you.
You blow dry that tennis court, sir. This is Megan's rabbit. Arsehole. Bullying my friends into Pathfinder like the giant nerd I am. This thing will not stay where I put it at all. It just doesn't want to cooperate. You can see my list in the background. That's what I'm supposed to do every day. You motherfucker. This room is a goddamn sweatbox. It's cold downstairs. It doesn't really help me, but I've done 2 takes. The second one is still not fantastic, but it is better than the first, which is about all that I can ask for, because I am not sitting here trying to make this sound like perfect, just decent. Halfway. One of my microphone clips has the thing stuck in it, and it doesn't have the right grooves for me to get it out, so I am I'm gonna MacGyver this a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Maybe. So there's 2 of them. And the smaller one is the one that I need to use for this particular microphone. But, as you can see, it sits in the other one. But, it fits inside. I'm not sure that I trust it, so I'm gonna blue tack it. Seems legit. Can you see my gorgeous Batman shirt? Let's do this thing. It's been a whole year and I couldn't tell. Victory cupcake. Shitty editing of shitty angle videos. It is now 8:13 p.m. and I feel like I should be going to bed, but instead I am getting in my car and driving 40 minutes in the opposite direction so I can catch a late movie with Megan after picking her up from work. It's been a long day, but I'm feeling good about it. Get my music thing done. It will have been posted long before this vlog. Saw a movie. We went and saw American Sniper. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. I'm glad we saw it, but I probably wouldn't watch it again. For any number of reasons. I'm tired. And it's nearly 12 o'clock. It's probably already 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna go to bed. And probably get up at the same time tomorrow. And regret my life choices. So that's me signing off.